Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Claude AI to analyze and understand any contract. If you're using Claude AI and you want to use your Claude AI to analyze or understand any contract, so let's see how can you do that. Now for this, the very first thing you need is the PDF file of your contract. It might be a PDF or a document file. Once you have, just simply open your Claude and here just try to click on this plus icon, click on add file and photos, and you just have to simply upload your file from here. And once you uploaded your file, you have to paste a simple prompt like this. Summarize this contract in plain English. Include purpose, what is involved, key application, duration, and termination conditions. So the very first thing, you have to enter this basic line. Here you can change your language if you want, and then you can include your requirements from here if you want to highlight them. So you can also try to enter their highlight and include here, and it will highlight these requirements from your contract. So in this way, you can easily summarize your contract using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.